Hello, in this video we're going to go through a word problem that applies similar triangles. So let's dive in. Mr. Armstrong held a 30 centimeter ruler away from his eye so that the bookshelf appeared to be 30 centimeters tall. The ruler was 45 centimeters in front of his eye, and he was standing 3 meters from the bookshelf. So just to pause here for a second, the first thing that jumps out at me is the fact that we have meters units and we have centimeter units. So we have to make sure we do some conversion at some point to ensure we're always working in the same unit measurement. So now I want to calculate the height of the bookshelf. And for this problem, we're going to assume Mr. Armstrong is lying on the ground when he's doing this. So in this case, I'm not going to draw a fancy picture. What I'm going to do is I'm going to assume that this is the ground. Mr. Armstrong is lying on the ground. His eye will be right here. So he holds a ruler 45 centimeters from where he is. And this is 30 centimeters tall. And then we have a bookshelf here. And what we want to find is what is the height of this bookshelf. So let's call this H. And we know that the distance from Mr. Armstrong's eye to the bookshelf is 300 centimeters, which is the same as 3 meters. So now what we have here, we have two sides, and we have two sides for this first triangle. And in fact, to help us out here, let's name this triangle ABCDE. We can demonstrate that triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADE. So that means we can set up ratios according to their sides. So if I want to solve for H, I'm going to put H in the numerator. So I'm going to take H in triangle ADE, and I'm going to say H over 30. So in this case, I'm going to set my ratio so that it's the two proportional sides. So H over 30 is equal to, so now I'm going to take the base here of the large triangle, which is 300, over, and then the base of the smaller triangle is 45. So now this is simply just an algebra problem. So I'm going to get H is equal to 300 times 30 divided by 45. And so now I'm just going to work this out. And we get 200 centimeters. So therefore, the bookshelf is 200 centimeters. Now, we don't often talk about bookshelves in terms of centimeters, so at this point, in terms of a good communication component to this question, I would convert that to 2 meters. I hope that helped.